Hey there, truck owners! If you're dealing with spindle issues in Madison County, Alabama, you need to hear this. Today, I'm diving into why United Axle of North Alabama is your go-to for spindle repair. First off, let's talk about what spindle repair is. Your truck's spindle is the pivot point for your wheels, essential for smooth steering and overall safety. When it gets damaged, you're looking at not just poor performance but also potential accidents. United Axle stands out because of their team of skilled technicians. These guys have years of experience and are experts in tackling even the most complex spindle repair jobs. Think of them as the surgeons of the truck world. They meticulously assess the damage, choose the right materials, and employ precision techniques to get your truck back on the road safely. But what really sets United Axle apart? It's their commitment to quality and customer service. They use top-of-the-line equipment and high-quality parts to ensure your spindle is as good as new. Plus, their turnaround time is impressive, meaning you won't be left waiting for weeks to get your truck back in action. Let's not forget affordability. United Axle offers competitive pricing without compromising on the quality of their work. That means you're getting the best bang for your buck. And who doesn't want that? So, if you're in Madison County and need spindle repair, United Axle of North Alabama is the name to remember. Trust me, your truck deserves the best, and so do you. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and advice. Safe travels, everyone.